Oh, the weather outside is frightful. Hi, good morning, guys. It is, what time is it? I don't know. What time is it? It is 10:17 Saturday morning. And for those of you that already watch my vlogs, you know I live in New Jersey. There's a blizzard. So, Mr. Dunstan and I are going to be stuck at home all day. I wish I yelled out this window, but you can't see anything. So let me show you. Hi, Mr. Dunstan.
Swear to me.
I'm gonna show him all the snow outside. Sorry, it's getting dark because we don't believe in having lights on in this house. So, but let me show you guys. What are you doing?
Uh-oh, that's not building.
Dunstan! No, and then you keep opening it. It's gonna get more snow in here. My God.
No, Bob!
No, stop!
It's only water.
I know, but it's cold. What do you mean?
Oops.
That's what we're gonna tell Samara. She's gonna be like, let's play outside, okay?
I gotta sweep the snow.
Yeah, you just... Oh, husbands. Anyway, so this is our situation right now. What's going on right now in life? Who's that? Is that downstairs?
No, I didn't think it. That's the neighbors.
Ooh, that's cold. Why would you sweep it on my feet?
I gotta move the snow.
You did that on purpose.
Or a hazardous area.
It wouldn't be hazardous if you didn't let all the snow in. What is wrong with you? I'm stuck with this guy all day. All day.
Yes, dummy.
Oh my God. Can't wait till our daughter's born so you can waste energy with so you can waste energy with her and leave me alone. Yeah, this house is a mess. So it's a nice day to clean. I asked Mr. Dunstan if he would build her crib today because, you know, it's in her room, but it's not built yet. It's really windy out there. Wow. Wowzers. Let there be light, said God. Yeah, so we got the crib in. Guys, it's right there. I'm so excited. And I'm gonna start working on her room so I can do a nursery tour. Look at all of Samara's toys, and she's not even born yet. Spoiled child. And these are her clothes. Some of them are up here, and shoes. Tell me this is not the cutest thing you've ever seen. Oh, this is so cute, my little baby. She could wear that to church. Anyway. There's Daddy building Samara's crib.
So much fun.
Look, Sam, when you're older and you see this video, you see all the hard work your dad put into building all these pieces.
This is the worst booklet of instructions I've ever seen.
Really?
Yeah, they give names to parts, but there's no labels on the parts, so you kind of just have to guess. Guess
what's what?
Yep. So, chances are it won't look like the picture.
Maybe you should look at a picture on your cell phone to see.
I'm an engineer, I don't do that. Let's go. So guys, here's my technique here. You throw everything on the floor, and then you figure it out. But then you clean it along the way that way. It's all put together. I don't have to clean it.
Yeah, this is your technique, Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, you cut your finger.
Yep, and that was before I even put out the parts. It's dangerous stuff.
It's okay, this crib is going to last her a long time when she's a toddler. How's it going?
So much fun.
So much fun. Almost done with the baby's crib. Today has been super chill. We've been cleaning the whole entire house. Literally, we cleaned the living room, the kitchen, the bathroom. I'm working on our room. Dom's working now on Samara's crib, like you guys seen, and it's still snowing outside. And it's, what time is it now? It's almost 5 p.m. and it's still snowing. Could you believe it, guys? Could you? I mean, this snow is incredible, but that's our day today. So good morning, guys. Our usual location in the car. Well, it's Monday, about 7:35 maybe. Oh, 7:42. I act like I don't have a time in the car. Anyway, happy Monday. I literally have not recorded anything. Like, as a lot of you may know, the East Coast got a blizzard. What is it called? Jonas? Blizzard Jonas, okay? And I mean, we didn't leave the house for 2 days. Dominic left the house yesterday, but it was to shovel out his car and I guess help shovel out the driveway. And that's pretty much it. This is the first time I've gone out in 2 days. So Dominic's going into New York City because he has to take his mom to the doctors, and I'm going into New York City because I have to go to work. So thank God he was going into New York City so he can drive me in, because me walking in the snow pregnant is probably not the best idea in the whole world. So yeah, I literally, sorry, like there's no footage. I hope all those of you who experienced Jonas are safe and sound, are warm, and those of you who are in very hot states, I envy you right now, because this snow is literally insane. Like, so much. How many inches?
A lot.
A lot. The meteorologist says a lot of inches, so it was definitely a lot. So yeah, that's what our day is looking like. Hello to all the new subbies. You know, every time somebody subscribes to my channel, I like click on their link because I want to see what they look like. I want to familiarize myself with you guys. So really, thank you so much to all my new subscribers, to all the people that keep leaving comments, to everybody that has followed us on Instagram. We love you. So oh, sorry. I thought you were looking because you're like, yeah, we love you.
Or I don't want to die.
Alright guys, so see you later.
You. Oh, my other girl.
I will punch you so hard.
Oh, no, he did.
Your other girl.
No, he did.